Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Sma. My name is Sma. It's been quite a minute, but I'm back with yet another video, and today is a traditional fried chicken. Now this is how my grandma made her chicken, this is how my mom made her chicken, and guess what, this is how I'm making it. I've just tweaked the spices a bit, but yeah, everything else remained the same, so nothing too complicated. It's easy and straightforward. Just to take a moment before we continue to thank all the subscribers. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, I really appreciate it. So enough with the chit chat, let's just get straight to the video and let's start cooking. So with the main ingredient here, I have my chicken defrosted already, and I put in some chicken spice, a bit of pepper and salt, and I have my eggs, I have my flour and all my spices. Now remember, I always list everything, all the ingredients in the description box, so don't worry, you'll find everything listed there. So I'm just going to start by mixing my flour with all the spices. I have a lot of flour because my chicken pieces are quite big. Use any chicken pieces you like, but here I'll be using drums and thighs. So I'm just going to mix that up. That's done, and I'm going to take just one piece. I'll dip it in my eggs, just roll it around, make sure it's properly covered, and dip it in the flour. Again, you just want to make sure that it's coated. It's messy business, guys, here, so hands are clean, nails are scrubbed, so we don't have to worry about that. And I'm going to put it to one side and continue with the rest. Okay, so that's done. I still have quite a lot of flour left, so I'll make some adjustments of the flour for you guys, and I'm just going to quickly wash my hands and we'll move over to the stove. Okay, so I have my oil going already at the stove, and I have my heat on medium, around 4. I don't want it to burn before it cooks completely on the inside. So because my pieces are quite big, I'm going to start with the big ones so that they can cook at the same time evenly. Okay, so here I'm just going to let the chicken fry in the oil. So what we're going for is the golden brown color, and we also want the chicken to be completely cooked on the inside. So I'm just going to give it some time. I can't give you a time frame, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so that's the chicken all done, and like I promised you guys, I think time estimation for the thighs about 15 minutes to 20 minutes on each side, and the drums about 10 to 15 minutes on each side. But again, just keep an eye on your chicken depending on how large or small your chicken pieces are. But other than that, this is what we're going for. Should be crunchy on the outside and very tender on the inside. So thank you guys for tuning in, and try this out. Let me know how it goes. Until the next time, keep well.